Okay, in this video I'm going to show you some battery saving tips on iOS. Now before we get started, just some tips. Stay on Wi-Fi where possible, leave Bluetooth on. The battery drop is unnoticeable really. If you're say at home, you have Wi-Fi calling, maybe enabling airplane mode. So you still get Wi-Fi, you still receive calls. That could be something that you may want to do. And obviously the obvious one is going down to battery and enabling low power mode. Let's look at what we can do. So mobile service, mobile data options. If you have 5G, you want to make sure it's set to 5G auto or 4G. Moving down to notifications. Any notifications that you do not need on your iPhone, you can turn off here. That will save them from coming through and lighting your phone screen up. Moving down to sounds and haptics. System haptics, you could turn that off. Lock sound, you could turn that off, and keyboard feedback. Haptic and sound, you could turn that off. Difference is going to be very marginal, but every little bit helps. General, not iPhone storage, background app refresh, you want to make sure this is off. Date and time, I have set automatically turned off. Accessibility, Face ID and attention, haptic on or successful authentication, I also have that turned off. Moving down to wallpaper. I like to use a black wallpaper. Having an OLED screen makes sense. Battery, low power mode, we spoke about that earlier. Siri and Search, listen for, you can turn that off, but the difference may be marginal. Probably not something that you'd probably do. Moving down to privacy and security. Location services. Any apps that use location that you think that you do not need, you can turn off. System services. These are the system services that I currently use. So turn off what you do and don't need accordingly. It will vary person to person. And App Store, you want to turn off automatic app downloads, automatic app updates, and video autoplay should be off. So just some quick tips on how to save battery on your iPhone. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much.